All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. If you guys are just tuning into this channel for the first time, my name is Chakits, Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So today we are here in the southwest of the Las Vegas Valley. So this home right in front of me is a modern contemporary home that just got finished. Now you're not going to get too many homes like this, especially a single story home this large in the southwest with a lot size over 2 acres. This is an equestrian lot, which means that it's also zoned for horses, so you can put some horses on here if you wanted to. But this home is very impressive. Just want to give a quick shout out to Steven with Savvy Realty, owner, broker, and also the developer of this home. Very impressive. Young guy built this home. Very inspiring, and have nothing but positive things to say about this gentleman. Very impressive. Now you can see how large this home is, and this lot literally goes all the way back, and I'm going to show you exactly what's going on here. So as you can see, we have an RV, then we also have a 2-car garage, right? 2-car door here. However, it's not true. Guess what? It's actually a total of 8 cars that you can fit in here. 2,100 square feet garage. That's like bigger than my house, believe it or not. I do love the color combo on here. Really gives that modern look. Love it. All right, let's see what we got here. So it looks like we have security system. That color blocking is really good. Also, I noticed you have some outlets as well. Look at these eaves. They're like 2 foot on the eaves. All right, so let's go inside. Let's see exactly what this is all about. So this is 3,400 square feet. Does have a next gen or a mother-in-law suite, 4 bedrooms, den, and also a loft. That's right, and we have a rooftop deck too as well. You definitely can see the full strip. The asking price on here is $2.3 million. Now, as you can see, we have a 10-foot pivot door on here, I believe. Okay. Now, according to Steven, this is a $20,000 pivot door. I love the linear windows. So as you can see, really nice. Now, take a look at this as we just enter the property. The ceilings are about 15 feet high. We have some surround sounds. You have these nice pocket doors. Now let's take a look at this kitchen. There's a lot going on with this kitchen. Okay, we have some shaker cabinets. You have white full overlays. Look at the LED lights. You have the quartz here, 2-inch front face with the waterfall. All appliances included. Now, one thing that's very impressive about this kitchen is that we have LED lights underneath the cabinets and also right underneath the quartz here, which is really nice. Now we have 2 color combos on the quartz. The sink here, a very nice deep sink with a beautiful gooseneck. Not too sure what brand this is. Now right above us, you do have some chandelier lighting or pendant lighting here. However, as you can see, you can change this out. You have the option to do 3 if you choose to. One thing that you're going to notice about this home, there's a lot of LED lights here. Okay, 42 upper cabinets. Looks like a 3-inch crown on here. Also, give that extra custom look. Okay, if you take a look right here on the side panel here, this was actually an upgrade, which is really nice. Attention to the detail. You got the built-in microwave and the refrigerator too as well. Love the backsplash. I mean, there's so much to see. Now, let's take a look at this fireplace. Now, I don't remember who the designer was for this feature wall for the fireplace, but apparently it's some guy that's well known. But you know what, they did a really good job on here. This is unbelievable actually. So it looks like you have just a regular What is that? Drywall. Then it's been cladded. I like that design though. They did a really good job. Look at that. Gorgeous. Here's your nice pivot door. I'm sorry, not your pivot door, but your pocket doors here. But take a look at this. I think this is what really sells this home here. This is about 2.2 acres. I mean, this is just a lot of land. We'll come out this way. Let's see what's going on. There's a lot of lights, a lot of vegetation. I mean, look at this. You could literally build another home here. This lot actually goes all the way to that retaining wall back there. I mean, the pool here will be done. They're currently still working on the pool. Again, you got all the lights. Let's take a look here. So here's your backyard. Now, you also have your guest house on this side as well. It's covered patio. Now what's nice about this is that you have the option to do gas and also your sink and also your drain line as well. So you can do a full kitchen here if you choose to. We got travertine on the floors, which is really nice. Some speakers, a lot of looks like LED lights here. Right over here you can go ahead and add your TV. I'm going to take you guys down to the guest house here. Now what's very interesting about this is that you have your own access. So here's the door that shuts off. As we come on down, we have this long hallway. The reason why they have this is because, remember, on the other side we have that little covered patio area. So here's your living room. Appliances will be included, so these are electric. So you know what? This is actually interesting because the stove here, that means this was actually zoned for 2 dwellings. That's very interesting. Typically, you can't have a stove on there, so I love that. TV, all this would be on this wall. What I like about this is you got the 2 Cat 6, HDMI, your coax here. Alarm system. Here's your door. Your guests will come and park right here. Entryway right here. Love the fact that we have a ring right here too as well. You got 7 inches on the baseboards. Now we have a room here. This room, it's a little bit tiny, however, that's fine. We don't want your guests to stay here forever. It's, you come, hang out for a little bit, then you leave. And I love this. Well, we did a full video, but we didn't even talk about this, but I love how this door, right, access to the bathroom here, especially with the pool, which is a great concept. There's 2 things that I mentioned about on the collaboration that we did together, which is I find very interesting. You have your thermostat here. All the windows is equipped with the alarm system. Right above us, we have the looks like our pancake unit or return line. We have a little bar section. Now I'm going to take you guys out to the garage last. Off to the left here we have a den. 4-can lighting. Again, high ceilings. This could be converted into another room, but I would probably just leave it as a den. Let's take a look at the primary right off to the right. You have a lot of windows. I love the rocker switches right at the bed, at the headboard. You have a lot of windows. Again, there's just a lot of light in this home. These high ceilings. So your TV is going to go on this side. You have a 6-foot vinyl slide off to the left. Okay. The flooring are concrete flooring. As you can see, you can also see the control joints cracking. You're going to get that. Fiberglass tub. And again, your shower. A lot of reflection, so let me see if I can get inside. Love the fact that we got a bench, soapbox. Got some closet space here. So this thing is fully equipped. Now you can add more to this rack if you choose to. Now if you guys want more information about this property, I'll definitely have a link in the description below. So coming down this way, we do have two bedrooms that share Jack and Jill. You got some ample storage here. I'm gonna say this is more of like your linen closet. You got the orange peel texture. You got straight edge on the cornering. Looks like the casings around the doors are like 2 inches on the casing here. But again, we have the nice high ceilings. All the rooms have the transfer duct, which is really nice. Here's the bathroom here. Now, I've noticed there was actually a gap here, and I asked the owner, I was like, why is there a gap here? Was this a flaw? Basically, they built this because of the trash can. He wanted to put a trash can there. I guess that makes sense. Beautiful soapbox again, cladded all the way up to the top. Well, let me ask you this. We have these 12 by 24 tiles. Would you run it linear or vertical? Vertical set. Let me know in the comments below. I feel like the vertical set opens up the room a little bit more. So we got some closet space, walk-in closet. We're gonna head on down here. The other bedroom. I think these bedrooms are 14 by 11 for both of them. Your TV, all your components are gonna go here. And then walk-in closet. Then our sink. Vanity, 6-panel door, as you can see. Then this opens up to the other side. There's a lot to look at. But now, I'm gonna take you guys out to the garage. This is for all you car lovers out there. Are we pretty much done, John? Yeah. Okay. What is this, our pantry? Not bad. Off to the left, or to the right, guest bath. Then we have our laundry room. Washer and dryer is included. One thing I like about this is that you do have the option to wash your doggy. Put your dog here. Unfortunately, you won't be able to put a Great Dane here, but that's right. Put your little poodle. Now, let's go out to the garage, because this is the most important thing. 2,100 square feet with the garage. Take a look at this. Ample storage. There's going to be a banister here and a banister up there. Now, what I like about this RV parking, you got a garage that takes you out to the back, right? Look how huge this thing is for all you car lovers. Okay, 220. Got your water line and also your drain line, so you can literally have your family or guests come here, park the RV. They'll be self-sufficient. Also, garage door opener. Love that lift master off to the side there. Soft water loop ready to go. You have all this ample storage. Okay. Got a little bit of cracking on the concrete here. All right, let's go upstairs. Like, if you're a car lover, you can put your desk up here and you can look down all your cars. But let's head on upstairs to the deck here. Show you what I'm talking about. Beautiful. strip views. Look at this. This is like a 360 degree. Mountain's Edge. Look at that. Gorgeous, right? Let's take a look at his lot line. Got York right there. See at the end of that wall? Goes all the way across. You own all this wash. You own all this to that wall. From this wall all the way back. Love that. Great deal. This thing up. Now I'm curious to hear what your guys' thoughts are about this home. At 2.3 million, could you see yourselves living here? Let's go finish this bad boy up. Again, if you guys want more information about this property, go ahead and click on the link in the description below. Now also, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. Be blessed, folks. Did you like that video home tour? Are you a fan of this channel and you want to get plugged into the real estate market? Well, I got something for you. We have a new channel, real estate, vlogs, Las Vegas lifestyle, behind the scenes, financing, flipping, commercial properties, interviews, local businesses, Chakits Krulsawat 2.0. Check it out.